Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset browser on Android. If you're using any Android phone and you want to reset your browser, so let's see how can you do that. There is two different ways. The first way is that just have to open your browser. From here you can easily reset that. Let's say I'm going to clear my browsing history and something like that. Just have to tap on these three dots and here just select delete browsing data, and here just 7 more options, and here you can delete, customize your delete as I'm selected. Just select all that, just add a delete data, and it will delete everything from your browser, but instead remain your ID and just like that. So here's the second way. You just have to keep a long press on your browser, then tap on this info icon, and here just go for storage, and here just tap on clear data, and here you must have to clear all the storage here. Just tap on clear data and then tap on OK. It will delete everything from your browser, so it will make a reset to your browser. So that's how you can easily reset your browser on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.